Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 187, The Forgotten Melody. Once upon a time in the quaint village of Willowbrook, nestled amidst rolling hills and ancient oak trees, lived a young woman named Eliza. Eliza was a dreamer, a weaver of stories and a seeker of forgotten melodies. Her days were spent tending to her grandmother's herb garden and listening to the whispers of the wind. One misty morning, as Eliza gathered chamomile blossoms, she noticed an old weathered piano sitting in the corner of the village square. Its keys were chipped, and its wooden frame bore the scars of time. The villagers called it the Silent Muse, for no one had heard its music in decades. Eliza's heart fluttered with curiosity. She wondered about the hands that once danced across those ivory keys, the melodies that had filled the air, and the secrets hidden within its wooden frame. Determined to awaken the forgotten music, she decided to unravel the piano's mystery. She sought out Mr. Arthur, the village librarian, who was known for his vast collection of ancient books. Mr. Arthur adjusted his spectacles and led Eliza to a dusty tome titled The Ballad of Lost Harmonies. The pages smelled of ink and memories. Eliza traced her fingers over the faded notes and deciphered a cryptic message. To unlock the Silent Muse, seek the silver key beneath the moon's gaze. Eliza's heart raced. She knew she had to find the silver key. Guided by moonlight, she followed a winding path through the forest, where fireflies danced like distant stars. At the heart of an ancient oak stood a silver key, half buried in moss. Eliza held it aloft, feeling its weight, a promise of forgotten melodies. Back at the piano, Eliza inserted the key into a hidden compartment. The room trembled, and dust danced in the moonbeam's glow. The piano's lid creaked open, revealing a yellowed parchment. Eliza unfolded it, her breath catching at the words. "Play the melody of lost memories, and the silent muse shall sing once more." Eliza hesitated, her fingers hovering over the keys. She closed her eyes, recalling her grandmother's lullabies, the laughter of childhood friends, and the scent of blooming lilacs. She began to play a hesitant note, then another. The piano responded, its strings awakening like slumbering souls. The room filled with music, a bittersweet symphony of love and longing. Eliza's tears fell onto the keys, merging with the notes. The villagers gathered outside, drawn by the ethereal sound. They listened, their hearts stirring with forgotten emotions. As Eliza played, memories flooded her. The first kiss beneath the willow tree, the farewell letter from a distant lover, the laughter shared during harvest festivals. The Silent Muse sang their stories, the joy, the pain, the fleeting moments that shaped their lives. And then, in the crescendo, Eliza glimpsed an apparition, a ghostly figure seated beside her. It was the original pianist, his eyes filled with gratitude. He had composed the melody to immortalize lost love, but tragedy had silenced him. Now, through Eliza, he found solace. The villagers wept, their souls touched by the music. Eliza played until dawn, until the sun peeked over the hills. The Silent Muse's strings vibrated with newfound life, and the piano whispered secrets to the wind. From that day on, Eliza became the village's storyteller, weaving melodies that bridged generations. The piano's music echoed through Willowbrook, reminding everyone that even forgotten things could find their voice again. And so, beneath the moon's gaze, Eliza played the silver key, the parchment, and the Silent Muse forever entwined in a harmonious dance of memory and magic. Vocabulary notes. Quaint, adjective, charming in an old-fashioned or picturesque way. Example, the quaint village of Willowbrook had cobblestone streets and thatched-roof cottages. Nestled, verb, to be comfortably and securely situated within something. Example, the cabin was nestled among towering pine trees, offering a sense of seclusion. Ancient, adjective, very old or having existed for a long time. Example, the ancient oak tree in the village square was said to be older than anyone could remember. Curiosity, noun, a strong desire to know or learn something. Example, Eliza's curiosity about the Silent Muse drove her to uncover its secrets. Cryptic, adjective, mysterious or puzzling, often with hidden meaning. Example, the message in the old book was cryptic, requiring Eliza to decipher its clues. Apparition, noun, a ghostly or supernatural figure. Example, Eliza glimpsed an apparition, the original pianist, seated beside her as she played. Bittersweet, adjective, combining feelings of pleasure and sadness. Example, the music evoked a bittersweet nostalgia, reminding villagers of both joy and loss. Crescendo, noun, a gradual increase in intensity or volume, especially in music. Example, Eliza's fingers danced across the keys, building to a powerful crescendo. Solace, noun, comfort or relief during times of distress. Example, through the piano's music, the original pianist found solace after years of silence. Entwined, verb, twisted or woven together. Example, the silver key and the Silent Muse were forever entwined in their magical connection. Story written by Copilot AI. Image created by Copilot AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you.